never been so sure about doing anything in my entire life. There's marrying you right here.
Today, you will proclaim your love for each other, and the words spoken here will be the cornerstone for your future lives together.
Amazing. You look so good.
Now you'll feel no rain, for each of you will be shelter for the other. Now you'll feel no cold, for each of you will be warmth to the other. Now there will be no loneliness, for each of you will be companion to the other. Now you are two persons, but there is only one life before you. May beauty surround you both in the journey ahead and through all the years. May happiness be your companion, and your days together be good and long upon the earth.
Sophie, I love you. You are my best friend. I promise to encourage you and inspire you, to laugh with you and to comfort you.
I promise to love you in good times and in bad. When life seems easy and when it seems hard. When our love is simple and when it is an effort.
I promise to cherish you and respect you for the rest of my life. Sophie, I love you.
Sophie and George, keep looking at each other. Think about where your lives are going to be 5 years from now. "10 years from now?" Where your lives going to be 30 years from now.
With this ring, we forge a new path on our adventure together.
I will always love you.
Early in the morning, before the sun appears, before the world has even stirred, let's get out of here. We don't need to hurry, the road ahead is clear. Let's follow the coast as far as it goes, or until we disappear. That gives me an idea. Let's get lost together. Let's go chase that postcard. Wish you were here, weather. Let's get lost together.
Now for the best part. As you, Sophie, and you, George, have consented to legal wedlock and have declared your solemn intention before these witnesses and in my presence, now upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Thank you.